This video was made possible by Vovo Toys, the legendary hobby specialist shop in Jakarta with a wide range high-quality diecast product. Don't forget to check the link in the description. Hey guys, welcome back to the Project 64 channel. Today I'm super excited to show you the recent delivery package from CM Models from my friend Mr. Wang, CM Models. Let's start with this beautiful Subaru BRZ Varis Rising in white and black paint. This is super cool. You also have spare wheels, like always from GM Models. And next we have new colors from R34 Super Silhouette Skyline casting from GM Models. This the new colors, and also this visualizations from Nissan. Next we have another R34 Super Silhouettes. This one I think it's brown chrome, kind of like that, from GM Models, also with spare wheels. And the last one is this is my favorite, GM Models Nissan GTR R35 Liberty Walk, and I'm gonna show you why I love this casting so much. So let's get it started. And this honorable mention I also get from GM Models, the Malaysia Diecast Expo Special Edition, very limited. I think it's only 100 pieces of this, so I'm so honored to have this from GM Models. This is also GTR R35 RR Liberty Walk, of course. And let's open this beautiful beast from GM Models. As you can see, this casting also came with spare wheels, so I'm going to show you later. The really cool thing from GM Models, they also include a display box like this, the acrylic display box, so you don't have to worry about dust and anything. You can always show your casting, your Miniscale, and still got protected from this display box. And you can see these spare wheels, and let me show you. This one is just beautiful. I love this one. Black paint and super attention to detail. Look at this. It's just amazing detail from GM Models, like always. And also, if you look from the back, it's just sexy as hell. I mean, this is one of the best casting I have. One of the best casting from GM Models, and this one include the spare wheels. As you can see in here, this is the spare wheels with different style from the regular wheels, so you can just easy peasy to get this job done. You can change the wheels like this, no tools needed, just your bare hand, put it out and put it in the spare wheels, and you get the different style. The wheels before have a normal, but this one you have a stance look, just slam it. And guys, have you enjoyed this kind of video? Please give it a thumbs up and maybe share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more diecast stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.